Good morning and happy Friday, Ballinger Creek. It is Friday, May 14th, and it is time to celebrate another wonderful week as we have loved, learned, lead, and succeeded together this week. We're going to start by highlighting our specials teachers. Everyone say it with me. Thank you, specials teachers. They have been fabulous this year. Miss Barker has helped us create a schedule, create a new schedule as we have evolved in our programming. And all of our teachers have been so flexible and accommodating to make sure whether it's over the computer screen, on a cart, or in person outside in the beautiful weather, you're getting a fabulous specials instruction. So I wanted to extend a wonderful thank you to them and also celebrate some of the great things that are happening in our specials classrooms. I got to visit Miss McKernan's class outside today with Mr. Keller doing some stretches before they went off to do their soccer work. That was awesome. Also a great shout out to Miss Trail in her 5th grade classroom as they were working on pop art mosaics. I can't wait to see how those come out with some of the topics they chose. I would like to extend a big shout out to my friends Claire and Raya, who were working in Miss Bryant's classroom on fabulous self-portraits. Girls, they were amazing. I can't wait to see the finished product. And last but not least, in Miss Barker's class on Thursday, they were doing some fire and ice rhythmic duets. So awesome stuff happening in our specials classrooms. Thank you so much, teachers, for giving us fabulous instruction day after day, week after week. Okay, it's time for some more amazing Stick With It students. Teachers, keep the list coming of kids that you would like to highlight on the morning announcements. I was thrilled to get an email from Miss Plog this week sharing so many kids who have already met their 3rd grade benchmark or continue to meet their goal each and every week. Miss Plog sent me a list of kids and then she kept adding to the list as the week went on because she has so many amazing Stick With It students. Kennedy Parham, Adrian Mungai, Jacob Starr, Wathan Kai, Shang Nguyen, Ivan Chen, and Cade Bowie. I hope I pronounced your names correctly. Congratulations. You are fabulous students at Ballinger Creek who lead by example. We're going to go from 3rd grade to kindergarten as I had the pleasure of visiting Miss Sigmund's kindergarten virtual class online as they were using math tools to find number pairs that make 10. They had so many different combinations of numbers that made 10 and they were using manipulatives and filling in rainbows both at their home and on the computer screen to practice making the number 10. We know that is a great anchor number that we can use at any grade to help us solve problems. Way to go, Miss Sigmund's kindergarten class. Now we're going to take it way up to 5th grade. I also had the pleasure of visiting Miss P's class as they were working on a review of story elements. And if you can see here, Miss P's Promethean board, they were working through Pear Deck to answer some questions. This question specifically was about word context. And when you come to a word you don't know, how do you use your context clues in a story to give you clues that might be able to answer what that word means so you can continue reading and making meaning from your text. It was a fabulous conversation and the use of Pear Deck is wonderful as it gives us lots of information about what kids know and don't know, especially when we're reviewing content. That was just a sneak peek into a small window of all of the fabulous things happening at Ballinger Creek day after day, week after week. Teachers, staff, if you have anything you'd like to highlight, send it my way and I would love to share it on next week's announcements. Happy Friday, boys and girls!